Good morning, African Stars International School learners. This is Mr. Seria, your grade 3 teacher. Welcome to your English e-learning lesson 9 for term 2. We will talk about synonyms. Synonyms. Before that, answers to lesson 8 activity. So, lesson 8 we read a story and you're supposed to answer these questions. Question number 1 was asking, why did the king call the Baba to his house? So the king called the Baba to his house because he heard that he is the cleverest man in the land. Number 2, what did the king ask the Baba to do when the Baba went to his house? So the king asked the Baba to cut his hair from his head and put it back again, isn't it? Okay. Number 3, what did the Baba give to the king? The Baba gave a bag of cooked maize to the king. Number 4 is asking, how did the Baba put back the king's hair? So the Baba made a wig for the king's hair. And number 5 was asking, what did the king do when the Baba asked for his cooked maize bag? So the king ordered his servants to give as much as maize to the Baba as he needs for the whole year. So those are the answers to lesson 8. Today's content, I said we are going to talk about synonyms. So before that, we need to understand what synonyms are. So synonyms are basically just words that have the same meaning. So if you have two words that means the same thing, if you have two words that mean the same thing, we call them synonyms. For examples, we have fast and quick. So if you say somebody was fast or somebody was quick, then we just mean the same thing. So fast and quick mean the same thing, so they are called synonyms. Now let's look at this example. So instead of saying good work, we have many options that we can say. So if you have different teacher, then one teacher will say excellent. Instead of good work, one teacher will say excellent. So other teachers also have options of saying, one teacher will say fantastic, one teacher amazing, another teacher will say spectacular, another teacher will say understanding, another one awesome, another one brilliant. So you see, these words, they all mean the same thing. So they all mean good work. So these words are called synonyms. So they mean the same thing. They all mean that the work that was done is good. So let's look at more examples of synonyms. More, we have help and assist. So can you help me and can you assist me? So help and assist mean the same thing. Choose and select. Select from this pencil or choose from these pencils. So they mean the same thing. Finish and complete. I finished first. I completed first. So finish and complete is the same. They mean the same thing. And laugh and giggled. She laughed loud or she giggled loud. So laugh and giggled mean the same thing. Mistake and error. I did a mistake or I did an error. So mistake and error mean the same thing. Mixed and blend. Mixed and blend. So she should mix this fruit or blend this fruit. They mean the same thing. We have reject and deny. So she rejected my apology or she denied my apology. So reject and deny mean the same thing. Rest and relax. So I'm going to rest in my room or I'm going to relax in my room. So rest and relax mean the same thing. Ask and inquire. Ask and inquire, they mean the same thing. Sincere and honest. Sincere and honest, they mean the same thing. Okay? So for today's activity, I want you to replace the underlined words. So there's this underlined ill, tiny, blend, neat, complete. So for these underlined words, I need you to replace them with their synonyms from the box. So you need to replace these underlined words with their synonyms that are in the box. So instead of saying ill, what else can you say? Instead of tiny, what synonym can you say? Instead of blend, what synonym can you say? Instead of neat, what synonym can you use? Instead of complete, what synonym can you use? So all the answers are coming from the box. For that, we have come to the end of today's lesson. Answer to the activity will be given in the next lesson. Remember to keep safe, wash your hands, and avoid crowded places in order to avoid COVID-19. I thank you.